Hello again, this is Melinda Livas, the STEM librarian from UC Davis Library. Now during this short screencast, I will demonstrate the utility of Sciwheel, which is a reference manager or basically a citation management software tool. The first thing you will need to do is create your free account. So follow the steps here and create your account. Make sure to create your account using your UC email. That way, when you use your UC email, you would get all of the rich tools here and functions here. Okay, so let me go ahead and sign in. Hopefully that is my right password. Okay, I'm going to skip next, and I'm going to go straight to my dashboard. So this is my current dashboard for Sciwheel. As you can see, I have a variety of folders created, and the dashboard basically tells you how many references and notes you have associated with each folder. So let's go ahead and get to the references. So now if you take a look to the left here, these are all of the folders that I have created, and in each of these folders I have articles that are associated with the title of the folder. So let's get started and create a folder for BIM 88. So now you can see I have a new folder I created, BIM 88V. Of course, I don't have any references in that folder. So what we are going to do now, we're going to go back to the databases, and I am going to export references from several databases into my Sciwheel account. So let's go to Web of Science. And remember, during the search, we were looking at artificial intelligence, education, and chat GPT. So as you can see, I have highlighted several articles I would like to export into my Sciwheel account. So now, since I have them selected, I'm going to come to export. I'm going to scroll down until I get to RIS, RIS file. And once I get here, I am going to select, you have selected 3 results for export. That's correct. Now I'm going to scroll down and I want to get the full record. It is important to get the full record. So now I'm going to select export. And as you can see, I got a notification that those files were exported and they were saved on my laptop. So now I'm going to go back to Sciwheel. I'm going to scroll to the top here where it says import references. I'm going to import references, and I'm going to import references selecting RIS BIB, this file here. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go to my downloads. And I know this is the top one, so I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to hit open. And now I'm going to select import. And those 3 records or articles that I imported from Web of Science will import into my Sciwheel account. Now, the reason why it came to BIM 88V is because I had that tab highlighted. If you have a specific folder or tab highlighted, and when you go through the import process, those articles will automatically import into those references. So now, as you can see, I have 3 articles that I have imported from Web of Science. So next, let me show you how to import articles from Academic Search Complete into your Sciwheel account. And for that, I'm going to select all references and I'm going to go to unsorted. As you can see, unsorted is empty. Normally, if you don't have a folder highlighted for Sciwheel and you import articles into your Sciwheel account, they will get imported into the unsorted folder. All right, so now let's get to Academic Search Complete. And remember, in Academic Search Complete, we were utilizing the search concussions and college athletes. So as you can see, I have several articles that I have already selected into my folder. So I'm going to scroll up and go to folder. Now I know I want to import these three articles into my Sciwheel account. So I'm going to select here, and over here they use the term export. So I'm going to select say export, and it is the first one that populates direct export in RIS format. That's what I want, and I'm going to hit save. And as you can see, this is the file that was downloaded onto my laptop. So now I'm going to go back to All References to Sciwheel. I'm going to select Import References, and I'm going to select References RIS. I'm going to go to the top one because this was the most recent. Hit Open, and I'm going to select Import. And it is right now, it is importing those three articles from Academic Search Complete into my Sciwheel account. So now I have these unsorted articles into my Sciwheel account. So let's say I would like to move these articles into my BIM 88V account. I could check the box here to get all three, and you can select the little folder here, and I want to move to click, and I want to go to BIM 88V, and I want to hit move. So now when I get to my BIM 88V folder, I should have 6 articles in that folder, and I do. So this concludes this video. In the next video, I will show you how to create a bibliography and import citations into your Google document.